back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on this eyeshadow look that you see here, and we're going to be using the Carli Bybel Anastasia palette. I've been wanting to do a video with this for quite a while, but I'm just now getting around to it. I have gotten a lot of use out the palette, as you can see. So if you're interested to see how we got this look and my thoughts on the palette, just keep watching. The first thing that I'm going to do is put some translucent powder under my eyes to catch any possible fallout that we may have. And then this is the beautiful palette we're going to be using today, Carli Bybel palette, and I have used this a few times, so it's not a first impression, it's just a tutorial I thought I would share with you guys. This is the inside of the palette. Very beautiful. The first thing we're going to do is go in with the peach shade here, Cindy. And we're going to use that as our transition. So I'm going to take just a large fluffy brush and apply that to the crease. The palette does have a bit of kick up, so just be sure to tap off the excess and you'll be fine. And I did use concealer for primer and put some translucent powder over that. Both back and forth motions and circular motions just to make sure it's nice and blended here. I'm going to go in with a little bit of chai, which is right beside that. And I'm just going to take a brush with more of a point to the end of it and put that right below the peach shade, making sure to not cover it up, just go in the crease below that. Take that brush we first used and just go over the edges, not with any additional product, just to further blend them together here. Go in with the shade Stev, which is the red shade, and a very small blending brush, and we're going to put just a little bit of that on the outer edge here. Low. And first just kind of pack it on. And then we'll go in and just blend that. We're going to blend that into that chai shade just a bit, but again, not taking it up any higher. Lid shade, we're going to take Aura, which is this beautiful kind of a pink with a rose gold type of shift in it. use a flat brush for that. And we'll go in and pack that all over the lid. Like with one layer of that shade applied dry, but for me I like it to have a little more of a metallic sheen to it. So what I'm gonna do is wet my brush, and I'm just gonna take some Smashbox primer water here and give it a spray, and then go in with an additional layer on both eyes. Much better. It just gives it more of a pigment to it, more opaque and more of that metallic sheen that I like. Now that we have the top of the lid done, I'm going to go ahead and brush away the powder that we have underneath. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line, and the first thing we're going to do there is take a little bit of that red shade Step on a flat liner brush and just press that against the lower lash line. And we're only going to put this on the very outer corner. Shade and buff that just a little bit below that and beside it. Shade Cindy and buff that on the entire lower lash line as well. And here we're just going to go right below where we put those two, just to blend it all together like we did on the top. Go in just with a little more of that red, since that blended some of it away and I want it to stand out a little more, and just tap back over that here. Just so you can still see it. And then the last thing for the shadow, what I'm going to do is do the inner corner highlight, and for that we're going to use Bali, the first shade here. That's pretty much much it for the eyeshadow portion, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara really quick. And I think for this look, I'm going to do a brown eyeliner in the waterline, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I have to say I really enjoyed this palette. I do believe it's worth every penny, so if it's something you've been eyeing, I'm pretty sure they still have them in stock. I haven't seen anything about them selling out. So I would definitely go grab it if it's something that you've been thinking about. No problems at all with any blending of any of the shades I've used, and I've used quite a few of them. The metallics, they don't really pack a punch dry, but if you wet them like we did in today's video, they work great. So I highly recommend this. And there's, I mean, you could do like everyday looks in here, you could get some dramatic looks, and the shades are just so beautiful. If you enjoy these types of videos, guys, please give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on that little notification bell down below. That way you're notified every time that I upload, which I try to do at least once a week, typically on Sundays. If you have video suggestions down below, leave those for me as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.